In exercise 5, it says two students have bank accounts. Student A starts with $600 in her bank account and takes out $20 each month. Student B starts with $900 in his bank account and takes out $50 each month. So first we're going to create linear functions for the amount of money in each account after X months. So X is months. And to be a little more descriptive, we could say months since the account started or something like that, but I'm just going to leave it as months. Next, we're going to see what the slope of each equation is. So if we're taking out money, that means the amount in the account is decreasing. So here we see we have a slope of 20, or negative 20 in this case. So this is negative 20x. And then we're starting with 600. That's a positive 600, so that's plus 600. For person B, we take out 50 a month, and we're starting with 900. So another way, sometimes I think about the y-intercept first. So I'm just going to put the plus 900 and then taking out 50 each time. Now, when we write linear equations, and actually it's usually written this way in science, they'll start writing the y-intercept and then write the slope. And in some ways, that makes sense from a really practical point of view because we do start with the y-intercept and then go somewhere with the slope. In math, we usually write it this way just because that's standard form, so the x term comes before the constant term that doesn't have an x. So realize they both mean the same thing. Now the next question says algebraically determine exactly how many months it will take for student A and student B to have the same amount in their accounts. When I see this word algebraically, which will come up a bunch throughout the unit, I have to solve with algebra versus a graph because I could graph both of these and see where they intersect. So I'm going to set them equal to each other. They're both like a y equals to see when they will be equal. So there's a of x and there is b of x. And we're going to start moving things around. I'm going to add 50x to both sides. And I can do both of these steps at the same time. I'm also going to subtract 600 from both sides and cancel where we need to. So this is going to be 30x equals 300. And divide by 30. So x is 10 in the context of the problem. That's after 10 months.